What's going on, everyone? Before we get into our latest video, we would like to mention a couple of things. First, we would like to thank everyone who participated in our Google Home Mini giveaway. We appreciate everyone's support and feedback. We got feedback about our poor lighting, camera resolution, audio, as well as how short our videos were. So this is exactly what we improved. We purchased better camera, mic, and lighting. We will also start doing more in-depth videos regarding the products we review in the future. Another exciting announcement is that we will be doing a giveaway every month for the entire year of 2020. Every month we will give away a cool tech product. We want to clarify why we do these giveaways. We do these giveaways to show appreciation to our viewers, like yourselves, while getting your feedback on how we're doing. Your feedback is honestly important to our channel, so we hope you will participate in all of our giveaways now and in the future. Now let's get into our video. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bestisan Soundbar. We're going to talk about its features and review the overall sound quality. Let's get started. First impressions when you unbox the speaker and you hold it in your hands is that you realize the build quality is actually very nice. And you also realize that there are an optical cable running through the device, through the speaker, to your DVD player or gaming console. You can select the optical cable and it will play whatever streaming that is connected through the optical cable. Then you have the auxiliary, USB, then you got movie, music, and dialogue, which are the three settings you can play that speaker in. Now currently what we're going to showcase to you is going to be a music setting. And then down here you got treble plus, so if you want to increase the treble or decrease the treble. Bass plus if you want to increase the bass or decrease the bass. And then if you want to just reset it back to normal mode where everything. Show you an example here. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so now we're going to play you guys this dubstep music. And while we're doing that, we're going to switch from movie to music to dialogue mode. But we're going to start with movie first, and you will hear the difference throughout as it's playing. So now we're going to do this on movie mode. So it's currently on movie mode. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put it in music mode. So this is now in music mode. And then when you want to do dialogue, so now we're going to actually do dialogue. Dialogue is going to bring the volume back up because, again, it's meant to highlight the vocals in a song or in a movie if there is. So our final thoughts on this is actually very simple when it comes down to it. So when it comes to movie mode, I think movie mode is great for music such as rap, hip-hop, anything with bass really. And then music is good for softer music such as jazz, classics, etc., where listening really in depth for, bass or anything heavy is not a huge deal for you, so music would be the best. And then dialogue is actually good if you're listening to podcasts where you care about really listening in on the vocals of what you're listening to. So that would be great. Overall, I noticed that the speaker itself, it is very sturdy and it has very, very good build quality. It's very heavy as well. And I think for $70, which is how much this thing costs, it is very much worth it because we personally also have a Bose Bluetooth speaker in the household, and I can tell you for $70 this thing actually does a very good job putting in a hell of a competition for the Bose speaker Bluetooth, for the Bluetooth speakers for Bose. So if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker and you're looking for something under $100, this is actually very ideal, and it works very well as you saw in our review video. And it comes with the brackets for you to mount it on the wall, or you can put it on the table. So you have several options. It doesn't have to be just on the table. So if you are in the market for a speaker, this is definitely a great choice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the review that we showed you, and the music you listened to on this speaker. But now I'm just gonna go over my review and final thoughts for the 3 modes and the speaker quality and sound. So when it comes to movie's great. We felt that movie was actually a great option if you're listening to rap or anything with heavy bass, heavy sounds. And then the movie setting in the middle was actually good if you're listening to any calm music such as classical, jazz, etc. And then the final, which is dialogue, was actually very good for, if you're listening to things such as podcasts or anything vocal. It gives you a very good highlight on vocal audio. Now, a couple thoughts regarding the speaker itself. The speaker itself is actually very sturdy, and you feel that it's built very well. Also, it has different setup modes. You can set it up on the table right here. You can set it up upright like this, or you can use the brackets in the back like we showed you, and then mount it on the wall, which is great because most speakers you don't have that option. Most smaller speakers, you can only put it on the floor, on the table. This gives you several options. Also, another great thing about this speaker is that it gives you several options to connect it. So you don't have to necessarily connect it via Bluetooth. So you have the ability to connect it through an optical cable. So that way you can use the optical cable to connect it to your DVD player. You can use the auxiliary. So if you have a device where you prefer to use your auxiliary cable, you can do that as well. And at the end, you can also use Bluetooth. So these are great settings that come with this particular speaker, and as well, of course, as other speakers, but with this speaker you get it. And I know that there are other speakers out there that are contenders with this speaker that actually don't have as many settings when it comes to either, putting it upright like this, or putting it on the table, or hanging it on the wall. So this gives you several options, as well as there's other speakers that don't give you other options other than Bluetooth to connect the speaker. So this is a very good contender for a speaker that costs under $100. This is on sale right now on Amazon for $70 approximately. So if you enjoyed this speaker and you enjoyed the quality of the music that we played, I think you should definitely go out and consider getting something like this, because for the price point that you're paying, it definitely is a very good contender versus other speakers, Bluetooth speakers on the market. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We hope you did enjoy the video. Don't forget that we do have a giveaway going on. So if you're interested in winning our next giveaway product, which is a solar camera, the link is in the description below. Check it out. I'm also going to put in the description a link to this listing on Amazon, so you can check out the speaker on Amazon and take a look at its features more on the Amazon page as well. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.